Hey everyone, welcome back to Confident English Daily. If you understand English but freeze when you have to speak because you're scared of mistakes, this episode is made for you. Today we have a powerful real conversation that will change how you think about mistakes forever. Let's jump in.
Sarah, I've been learning English for 3 years, but I still feel scared every time I open my mouth. What if I make a grammar mistake? What if people laugh or judge me? It's stopping me from speaking.
I completely understand, Kabir. I was exactly like you. I used to stay silent in group discussions because I was terrified of sounding stupid. But one thing changed everything for me.
What was it?
I realized that mistakes are not failures. They are proof that I'm learning. Native speakers also make mistakes. The difference is they don't punish themselves for it. When I stopped treating every mistake as a big problem, my confidence started growing.
That sounds nice, but in the moment I still feel so embarrassed. Last week I said, I am agree instead of I agree, and I wanted to disappear.
I've done that too. Here's what I do now. First, I give myself permission to be imperfect. Second, I focus on the message, not on perfection. People care more about what you're saying
So how do you train yourself to think like that?
than how perfectly you say it. I use 3 simple rules: progress over perfection. Every time I speak, even with mistakes, I'm improving. Self compassion. I talk to myself like a friend. Instead of, I'm so bad at English, I say, it's okay. I'm still learning and I'm doing better than last month. Deliberate practice. I speak every day, even if it's just recording voice notes. The more I expose myself, the less fear I feel.
That third one is powerful. I never record myself because I hate hearing my mistakes.
That's exactly why you should start. When you hear your own voice and notice small improvements, your brain starts believing you're capable. I also have a small trick. After every conversation, I note down one thing I did well and only one thing to improve. It keeps me balanced.
I feel much lighter just hearing this. So it's normal to make mistakes even after years of learning?
100% normal. Even advanced learners make them. The real skill is not avoiding mistakes. It's continuing to speak with confidence despite them. That's what separates stuck learners from fluent ones.
Thank you, Sarah. I'm going to start small. Today I'll record a 1-minute voice note about my day. No pressure for perfection.
That's the spirit. Small, brave actions every day. You've got this, Kabir. I'm proud of you for wanting to improve.
Means a lot. Let's keep supporting each other.
Real confidence grows when you stop fearing mistakes and start embracing them as part of the journey. If this conversation helped you, hit like and comment below. What's one mistake you're no longer afraid to make? New episode drops tomorrow. Keep speaking, keep growing. See you soon on Confident English Daily.